Next we are going to see is enumerated data types in C. So enumerated data types. Enumerated data types are data items whose value may be any member of a symbolically declared set of values. Each values will have an equivalent integer value. So we already studied some data types: int, float, char, double, etc. So, and also you have studied structure is a user defined data type. Union is also user defined data type. Because we already defined one structure called student. Student is a data type which can hold student details. It is declared by the user or it is declared by the programmer. So here enumerated data types are also user defined data types whose whose value may be any member of a symbolically declared set of values. Each value will have an equivalent integer value also. So defining enumerated data types. Here we have a keyword called enum. Enum is a keyword followed by tag name. You can give any name, and within curly braces you have to mention some members: member 1, member 2, member n. So I will try to explain with the help of an example. Here enum is a keyword, days is enum tag. Here I have written mon, tues, wed, thirst, fry, sat, sun. So days is actually a user defined data type. Similar to integer, character, days is also a data type. But who defined it? It is defined by the user. What is the specialty of integer? Integer value can take integer values. That means any combination of 0, 1 up to 9. Any combination can be used. That is the possible values of integer. So if I write x, y, z, it is not an integer. But if I write from some combination from these things, it will be an integer. Some 109, it will be an integer. Similarly, here we can't take any combinations. Here days can have 7 different values. 7 different values. It will be Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, Saturday or Sunday. So if we declare it is a days is a data type, if we declare days, it can take either one of these values. Either one of these values. Similarly, another one is there, branches. This is about the branches in our college. So branches can take only either of these values. Anyway, in our college there is some other branch, let it be biotechnology. That branch is not there. If someone wants to read the branches in our college, he can't include biotechnology because that biotechnology is not included in this list. And also I forgot to mention civil engineering. So anyway, it is for example purpose. So branches can take the values either ECE, CSE, EEE, IT, CS or ME. Members within the braces may be initialized. In that case, so one more thing we have already discussed, each value will have an equivalent integer value. Each value will have an equivalent integer value. So the default value of Monday will be 0. Default value of Tuesday will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly here ECE will be 0, computer science will be 1, EEE will be 2, IT will be 3, CS will be 4, ME will be 5. This is the equivalent default value. So if we didn't mention any corresponding integer value, the value starts from 0. We already studied each value will have an equivalent integer value also. Members within the braces may be initialized. In that case, the next member is given value 1 more than the preceding value. Suppose I have written something like enum I'm using some x. Here I am giving a equal to 1, comma b. Here the possible values x can take is a and b. Here I initialize a with 1. So what will happen? The b will get a value 2. B will get a value 2. So it will be clear when we see more examples. So what you have to understand is enumerated data types are defined with the help of a keyword called enum followed by a tag name. The tag name is the data type, and within braces we will give some values. Those must be the possible values that enum can take. Enum can't take, so that data type can't take any value outside that list. Any value outside that list. So I have already some programs. Genre Alfie. Genre Alfie, can you hear me? Adidev.
Sir.
So Adidev, here I have a data type called week, and we can take the possible values Mount, Dew, Wet, Thurs, Fry, Saturn, Sun. So all of you listen. Adidev, can you mute the mic? So here in the line number 4 is actually the declaration statement. So here I have defined a new data type called week. So before using that, I have to declare it. So enum week day. So day is the variable. Day is the variable. So day can take either value 1, 2, wet, thirst, fry, sat or sun. So here I am storing wet. So Adidev,
Yes, sir.
what will be the output of this program?
When will be printed?
Wet will be printed. What I am printing here? Print of percentage d comma day. So percentage d means some integer will be printed.
Two printed.
2 will be printed. Okay. You can mute the mic. I already told you when we define enumerated data type, each member will assign some integer, corresponding integer value. So default value of mon will be 0. 2 will be 1. Wet will be 2. Thirst will be 3. Similarly, sun will be 6. So the value of wet is printed. So it is 2. Any doubt on this program? Any doubt? So let me move to the second program. Tanush J. Tanush.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output of this program? Tanush.
അത് മൊത്തം വരില്ലേ സർ 0 1 2 3
Okay, very good. 0 2. What is the last value?
6 6
6. How? What is the for loop here? I equal to Jan. So first value is assigned.
11 അല്ലേ സർ
Less than or
11
equal to
11
duck. So it will iterate up to DEC. So and in the meantime it will print its equivalent value. Equivalent integer value. Because Jan is stored in I, here I am using percentage D. So Jan will be 0, Feb will be 1, similarly duck will be 11. So 0 to 11 will be printed. So here I missed the semicolon, that's why I'm not getting the output. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now everything is printed 0 on up to 11. Any doubt in this program? No doubt. Another example. Okay, so here I have given some values. So earlier I didn't mention some values. So here sun is 1. So what will be the value of Monday? Sunday is 1. So what will be the value of Monday? Varsha,
Yes, sir.
what will be the value of Monday?
2.
2. Because we already studied, member within the braces may be initialized. In that case, the next member is given value 1 more than the preceding value. So here it is given 1, so the next will get 2. Arada,
Yes, sir.
what will be the value of Wednesday?
Wednesday, 6.
Wednesday will be 6. So here Tuesday is initialized with 5. So the next will get value 6. Similarly, the value of Thursday will be, Thursday is already defined, so it is 10. Friday will be 11. And Saturday will be 12. So I am printing all the values. Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, Tuesday is 5, Wednesday is 6, Thursday initialized as 10, so Friday is 11, Saturday is 12. Let me check the output. 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12. If anybody have any doubt in this program, you can ask. Otherwise, I move to the next program. Shashikant,
Yes, sir.
what will be the output of this program?
Output 1, sir.
Only 1. Here I am printing 3 integer values. 3 percentages are there. So what is the output?
1, 0, 0.
1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. Okay, good. But the thing you have to understand here is different members can take same value. Different members can take same value. So 0 is assigned to both failed and freezed. It is also legal. 1, 0, 0 will be the output. So we are moving to the last problem. Saksham Sedu. What will be the output of this program? So what will be the output? So if you have any problem with the network, please type the answer in the chat box. That one is enough.
3, sir.
Okay, 3. Here 2 values are printing. Okay, first one is 3. What about second one?
2.
2. Okay. Here Mon is initialized as 1. Next value didn't have any value. So it will have the next value. Wednesday you will get the next value 3. Then third is initialized as 1. So Friday will get 2. Here we are printing Wednesday and Friday. So 3 and 2 will be the output. 3, 2 will be the output. Hope you understood the concept of enum and its various properties.